All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another episode of RK Outdoor Adventures. Today, going out of Edgewater, gonna go for some walleye, hopefully. Today's guest is Aaron Fender and Josh Bitticoffer. Boom! Boom! Boom, baby, stay tuned.
There's a bunch of marks.
Okay, good. We need to stay right here. You know? Nice, good job, Aaron.
Oh yeah.
First walleye of the year, baby. Boom!
Wonder.
Fish on.
Yeah, fish on.
I get a boom, baby. Boom!
Wonder bread.
Woo!
Wonder bread.
Look at
Wow, is this a gauge pin?
dude, yeah, it's got out of my pocket.
Yeah.
You done with DHPP?
DHPP, baby! All right, there you go, number two.
Number two.
Woo! Boom!
Fish number 3.
Boom! Boom, baby! We got him. We got him.
Hell yeah.
Woo, baby!
Pretty nice one too.
And fish number 4. 50.
Boom. That's 1 spot.
Boom!
1 spot.
Boom!
Go horsey.
Boom, baby! Giant! Good.
Number 5.
There we go. Boom! Boom! Dude, this one's huge!
Yours is gonna be in real quick.
Dude, this is huge!
That was 35. Right.
Eyeball missing! Woo! Boom, baby! Nice! That's a good
7.
Is it?
Got him!
All right. Nice.
Woo!
Good boy. Number 8.
Woo! Boom! All right, ladies and gentlemen, that is a wrap for today. We got, what, 8 walleye, guys?
8.
Yes, 8.
8 walleye out of Cleveland. Our best was 50 snap 50 2-ounce weights, Wonder Bread, and then it was sporadic as far as colors. 40 snap 40, 50 snap 50, 40 snap 40, and 35 snap 35 were all of our leads. Mainly 50 and 40. Thanks for watching. Peace.
Peace. Boom.
Boom. Yeah. All right, let's roll. Oh.